Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I will show you how to make an easy and delicious tri-colored pastry. For the first filling, brown 1 finely chopped onion with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in 250 grams of minced beef and cook while mixing. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, cumin, and dried mint, 1 teaspoon of salt and some chopped fresh parsley, then turn off the stove. Now for the second filling, combine 4 grated carrots with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of salt in a bowl. And for the third filling, combine half kilogram of chopped spinach with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then drain the excess water out by squeezing with hands. Spread the mince filling on the PHYLLO pastry and roll. Then spread the carrot filling on the second PHYLLO pastry and roll. Repeat the same thing with the spinach filling as well. Brush the fourth PHYLLO pastry with vegetable oil. Place the rolls at the center of the fourth PHYLLO pastry as 2 of them are side by side and the third one is on top of them. Roll them all together with the fourth PHYLLO. Cut the final roll into 1-inch thick slices. Place the slices on a parchment-lined oven tray and brush with egg yolk. Bake for 40 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Tri-color pastry is ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!